The Silva mind control method, designed by Jose Silva, helps you to manifest your goals by accessing the alpha state of mind. This video gives you step-by-step instructions on how to do that. Regular practice of this technique can lead to enhanced creativity, problem-solving abilities, and overall well-being. Begin by finding a quiet and comfortable space where you can practice without distraction. Sit or lie down in a comfortable position. Close your eyes and take a few moments to relax your body and mind. Start by taking a few deep breaths, inhaling slowly through your nose and exhaling deeply through your mouth. Focus on each breath, allowing it to bring relaxation and calmness into your body. Bring your attention to your body and consciously relax each muscle group. Begin with your toes and work your way up, releasing any tension or tightness you may feel. Pay special attention to relaxing the muscles in your face, neck, and shoulders. Shift your focus inward and bring your attention to the center of your being. Imagine a warm, glowing light at the center of your body, radiating peace and tranquility. Allow this light to expand, enveloping your entire being. Now you are ready to access the alpha brainwave state. Start counting down from 100 to 1 in your mind. With each count, imagine yourself descending a staircase, with each step taking you deeper into relaxation. You may want to repeat the word, relax, in your mind as you descend. At the count of 1, visualize a serene and peaceful place, such as a beautiful garden or a tranquil beach. Use all your senses to imagine the sights, sounds, smells, and textures of this environment. Allow yourself to fully immerse in the experience, feeling a deep sense of calmness and tranquility. Once you feel immersed in the alpha state, begin to focus on your goal. Think of an affirmation related to your goals or desired outcomes. Repeat this affirmation in your mind with conviction and belief. Visualize and feel every emotion associated with achieving your goal. Remain in this state for as much time as you wish. When you are ready to re-emerge from the alpha state, slowly count from 1 to 5 and at the count of 5 slowly open your eyes and reorient yourself to the present moment. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more such videos.